In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Instagram search history from your Android or your iPhone phone. This is an updated video as of December 2019. If the app's updated, I will make an updated version, so check the link in the description below if there's an updated version or not. So what you need to do is you need to click on your search history, and you can see that you have all of your search history here. So I've got all of my recent searches. Now, to get rid of that, you want to click on your profile icon, go to the three lines in the top right hand corner, click on settings, then you need to go to security, and just under security you're going to see search history. Click on that, then you can either clear all or you can clear individual searches. I'm going to click on clear all and then clear all again, and then you can see the search history has now been cleared and we have no search history left. So if that video helped you out, make sure you leave a like, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.